Although an ever-increasing number and variety of Web 2.0 tools are readily accessible, free, and engaging, in a study conducted by the Consortium for School Networking, over half of the respondents reported that these applications were not being used to support teaching and learning in their districts. The problem, as noted in a survey prior to the creation of Glogster EDU Tutorials, is that many teachers are hesitant to implement Web 2.0 tools due to lack of training and lack of time. Glogster EDU Tutorials can help solve these problems for one Web 2.0 tool, Glogster EDU. Glogster EDU is a free Web 2.0 tool that allows students to create interactive blogs or posters. In a matter of seconds, students can link to other sites, upload images and videos, add text, sound, and graphics, and more. Blogs can also be shared. For example, they can be emailed to teachers, parents, and friends, embedded in wikis, shared on social media sites, and presented in front of the class. Glogster EDU Tutorials is a comprehensive web-based tutorial site. Resources include step-by-step, on-screen, or printable how-to instructions, frequently asked questions, lesson plan ideas, and more. The site offers sections for teachers, all users, and has a long list of resources, including example blogs and tutorials made by others. Yes, Glogster EDU Tutorials was designed using the ADDIE model, ensuring that the site will meet the needs of all users. A needs analysis was conducted to find out if a web-based tutorial would be an appropriate method for providing resources and training for Glogster EDU, just one of many Web 2.0 tools. An informal survey was distributed to teachers, and an informal interview was conducted with a high school teacher. As mentioned, results showed that lack of training and lack of time are key factors in the underuse of Web 2.0 tools like Glogster EDU. Teachers indicated that they would be more likely to implement Glogster EDU if they had access to a comprehensive web-based tutorial with resources to assist with all areas of Glogster EDU. The target population of learners for the tutorial site is high school students and their teachers, so two sets of objectives were created from the needs analysis. They were used to guide the instructional designer. Based on the needs analysis and objectives, the site was designed to cater to just-in-time training. Topics were brainstormed and broken down into smaller sections so that users can access the information they need without being forced to lose valuable time by accessing irrelevant information. The site was also designed to act as the central location for links to the video tutorials, PDFs, frequently asked questions, and other resources. A simple design document was created in order to organize the web pages that would be needed for the site. An extensive checklist was created to help keep the development phase on schedule. Then a template was designed for the website, and basic content was added. Rapid prototyping helped to seamlessly connect overlapping aspects of the development and implementation phases. The site was initially introduced to students and teachers with limited available content, and the implementation and development continued based on their feedback. A high school teacher and a junior high teacher pilot tested the site with their classes and offered one-to-one client-to-trainer advice to the instructional designer along the way. The feedback was used to help update materials and design and develop additional content. Due to the nature of the site, the development and implementation phases will continue as feedback is gathered, with hopes of continuing to meet the needs of all learners. According to the evaluations given for Glogster EDU Tutorials, it meets the needs of the users. A number of informal formative evaluations were given to teachers throughout the design process, and several summative evaluations were given to teachers and to students following the development and implementation phases. While the needs of the users are currently being met, the evaluation process will continue and will work hand in hand with the development and implementation phases. The instructional designer will continue to make changes and to design and develop resources as dictated by users' feedback. By providing just-in-time training to teachers and students, Glogster EDU Tutorials begins to close the gap between available tools and the actual implementation of the tools. While Glogster EDU Tutorials cannot make all Web 2.0 tools ready to use, it can make the world of Glogster EDU open to teachers and students in a matter of minutes.